This is your Fision TV Plus remote. Let's take a few minutes to get acquainted with its many features. If you haven't done so already, please install the included batteries by removing the back panel and installing the batteries in the direction indicated. This is the power button. Once programmed for your TV, this will turn on and off the Fision TV Plus set-top box and your television. The home button is one you will use quite often. This is how you access or return to the main menu. A long press on this button will take you to the Games and Apps menu. The Live TV button instantly takes you to Live TV, to whatever channel you were last watching. Here is the Back button, which returns you to the previous menu screen. The Exit button exits menus, apps, and On Demand, or takes you back to the previous live TV channel you were watching. When you are in a menu, use the OK button to make a selection. These 4 arrows are how you navigate through menus. Here is the digital voice assistant. Press, release, and speak naturally to issue voice commands. Show me comedy movies. The Guide button launches the on-screen guide. These are your viewing controls to play, pause, stop, rewind, and fast-forward programming. Multiple presses on fast-forward and rewind move the action even faster. The Replay button jumps back 7 seconds in what you are watching and jumps back 24 hours when viewing the on-screen guide. The Advance button jumps forward 30 seconds each time it's pressed and jumps forward 24 hours per press when viewing the on-screen guide. To enter the on-demand library, press this button and then use the arrow keys to navigate through menus and choose content to watch. Use the numbered keypad to directly access channels when watching live TV or to go to that channel's guide information with the on-screen guide. The Clear button dismisses items appearing over live TV and deletes titles from your My Shows list. The Enter Last button takes you to the previous channel you were watching or displays the Continue Watching panel. To get to know your Fision TV Plus remote's functions even better, go to the Help section of your property website and enter Fision TV Plus Remote in the search bar.